Welcome to the course preview of dual certification in AYUSH Clinical Research and Hospital Management. Clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that determines the safety and effectiveness of medications, devices, diagnostic products, and treatment regimens intended for human use. To date, more than 5,700 clinical trials are registered at AYUSH Research Portal, ayushportal.nic.in, Department of AYUSH. Clinical trials in AYUSH offer several career options to AYUSH students and working professionals to excel in this field. If you are looking to start your career in clinical trials along with hospital management, or you are already in this industry without any formal training, the course Dual Certification in AYUSH Clinical Research and Hospital Management will certify and guide you to develop the required skills. DCACRHM is a globally valid self-paced training course that will train you to efficiently manage and coordinate the day-to-day trial activities of a study in compliance with applicable regulatory guidelines. These are some important features of this course which you would like to know before enrolling. Number 1. The mode of learning is online or distance. If you choose the online mode of learning, you will get login access to the course content within 48 hours of enrollment. You simply need a device with an internet connection to take and finish the course. If you opt for the distance mode of learning, you will get a hard copy of the study modules at your postal address. The distance mode of learning is only eligible for Indian postal addresses. The course content and fee of both the modes of learning are the same. You can choose any mode of learning at your convenience. Number 2, the course is completely self-paced, which means you can take the modules at your pace and time. Number 3, you will get 6 months and need approximately 70 hours of effort to finish the course along with the exam. Number 4, there would be an online exam at the end. Number 5, the certification is valid globally. Number 6, you will get lifetime access to the course content. Number 7, you will get a certificate of completion along with a performance card upon successful completion. There is no extra cost for exams and certification. AYUSH Clinical Research Part covers the following high-quality training modules. Module number 1, Introduction to AYUSH. Module number 2, Introduction to Clinical Research. Module number 3, Ethics in Clinical Research. Module number 4, Roles and Responsibilities of Clinical Research Personnel. Module number 5, Clinical Trial Monitoring. Module number 6, Essential Clinical Trial Document. Module number 7, Importance of Informed Consent Document. Module number 8, Importance of Safety Reporting in Clinical Research. Module number 9, Recent Trends and Careers in Clinical Research. Module number 10, Glossary of Clinical Research. The hospital management part covers the following high-quality training modules. Module number 1, Introduction to Hospital Management. Module number 2, Human Resources Health and Leadership. Module number 3, Information Technology in Hospitals. Module number 4, Hospital Marketing. Module number 5, Financial Management. Module number 6, Quality Management in Hospitals. Module number 7, Public Relations. Module number 8, Maintaining Medical Records. Module number 9, Waste Management. There would be an online exam at the end of the course. This course will help you to learn about concepts and processes involved in AYUSH clinical research, knowledge and skills required to start a career in the clinical research industry, AYUSH GCP guidelines and their application in clinical trials, roles and responsibilities of clinical trial personnel and stakeholders, maintenance and management of clinical research documents, functioning of different departments in hospitals and healthcare units. Once you enroll in this training program, we will first send you a confirmation email to your registered email address. This will be followed by sending you course access details in the next 48 hours if you choose the online mode of learning. If you choose the distance learning mode, we may take up to 7 working days to send you the study material at your postal address. Then you go through all the course modules at your pace and time. You can contact us anytime for any query on any course topic. After you finish all the course modules, we grant you access to the online exam. The exam is open book and self-paced, that is, the exam isn't timed. Then you attempt all the exam questions based on course content followed by its submission to us. At last, our faculty will review it and issue you a certification of completion along with a performance card within 14 working days. You will get both soft and hard copies of the certificate of completion. The hard copies will only be issued at Indian postal addresses. This course can be taken by students, freshers and working professionals from Ayurveda, Yoga, Anani, Siddha and homeopathy who are looking to gain knowledge and start their career in the clinical research industry. After completing this course, you can apply for the entry-level clinical trials job positions: clinical research coordinator, clinical trial assistant, clinical research associate, research nurse, clinical trial investigator, hospital administrator with AYUSH Research organizations, pharmaceuticals, biopharmaceuticals, medical devices, cosmetics and consumer health, contract research organizations, CROs, hospitals/clinics. After completing this course, our team will assist you to advance your career in the following ways. Step number 1. After successful completion, you will get soft and hard copies of the globally valid certificate of completion and a performance card. Step number 2. Our experts will design your resume per industry standards for free. Step number 3. We will provide you access to the resources to prepare for different rounds of the job interview. Step number 4. You will get 100% placement support from us. Our team will provide you regular updates on the relevant job positions based on your preferred location. To date, learners from 12+ countries are already a part of this training program. The course content, methodology, and support are widely appreciated by all the learners, and the course has received an average rating of 4.5. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact us for any query.